Sweetie, are you still awake? What in the world are you doing up? Honey, you know you can't read that right before bed. You know how wound up it makes you. Come on, get over here. Come to bed. It'll all still be there tomorrow. Come on. I need my honey bun. Because I love her very much. And I'm very lonely without her. And her stupid phone is keeping me awake. Come on. Get over here, bro. There you go. Into bed with you. Good girl. Hello. This is very nice to meet you. Wait, don't I know you from somewhere? Aren't you that cute girl who's always walking around the house? I think I might have seen you at breakfast. Yeah, with the toast. Oh man. Small world. Well, I mean, not to be forward, but as long as you're here, in my bed, you want to cuddle? Okay. Come here, babe. Scoot your back all the way up against me. Fit yourself all the way in. Find a nice, comfy spot. There you go, little spoon. Just like that. Well, little spoons get hugs and cuddles, and they get to be still and close their eyes and forget about their day while I rub their tummy and play with their hair. Does that feel good, sweetie? Good. You have a very nice tummy, you know that? I know you worry about it, but I love it. I love every part of you. In fact, sometimes I'll get totally consumed by just how lovable you are. Don't even have to be around you. I can be minding my own business, out doing errands, and then suddenly, just bam, I'll think of you. I'll remember just how special you are. I'll remember just how much you mean to me. And then I'll remember that you're mine, that you belong to me, and that someone as fantastic as you can be vulnerable around me. And it's like a wave rushing over me. I'm totally incapacitated. Just love struck. Right in the middle of the grocery store. I can't help it. You just have that effect on me. You make me feel all tingly. And you bring color and light into my world. And whenever we're apart and I see you again, it's like a little fire gets stoked inside of me. God. You always seem to put me into a very poetic mood. I never really talked to anyone before I met you like this, You're a sneaky little muse, you know that? How's that song go? You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. Well, Miss Inspiration, how about we do something nice this weekend? Just the two of us. I know it's been a while. We could go to that restaurant you're always talking about. Catch a show. get all dressed up, get all fancy, make everybody jealous because we hot as hell. This sounds nice. You know, I always like doing that kind of thing with you. But, you know, honestly, it wouldn't be so bad if we had to just kind of stay here forever. Just you and me in this bed, cuddled up. I feel like I wouldn't mind just studying you. Is that weird? Like, I'm just fascinated by you. I want to know everything that makes you tick. I want to know all the things that make you laugh. All your favorite foods. Your hopes, your fears, everything. I could just sit here and trace my finger along your body and memorize every curve, every bump, every little nook and cranny. It's like I love you so much that I want to experience you in your fullness, in every facet. You know, you are really just so precious to me. You make me want to protect you. And I'm glad that sometimes I can make you feel safe and loved, even if it's just for a little bit, you know? But I will do everything in my power to shield you and keep you. And I know sometimes all that you need is just to be wrapped up in my arms, to feel my presence, to know that I'm there for you. And I am so happy and proud to be your safe place whenever you need me. You know, if you ever feel overwhelmed, or if your mind won't stop racing, if you're stressed out or afraid, if you ever just need to feel centered or at peace, I'm here. I'm always here. You're my best friend. I love you. So you know, count on me. I like being counted on. Your burdens are mine. Your happiness, your success, you being the person that you want to be, that you're meant to be. I feel like that's my priority. That's what I'm here for. I love you so much. And there's nowhere that I'd rather be. Good night, sweetheart.